Hi loves, it's Crystal Marie. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I would reminisce on how I started this channel, which was in 2014. I did a lot of beauty videos. As a matter of fact, my first video was a beauty video. And over the years, it has evolved into a crafting channel, which I love Cricut. And I did a lot of tutorials with Cricut over the years. And I will be bringing those back in 2023. I cannot wait for you guys to see the content. Of course, we love fashion and we love beauty still, but I've done those a little bit less because of quarantine kind of made me not have to dress up so much. And I've done some faith videos and I'm going to bring those back in 2023 as well. So how is it going? What are we going to do for 2023? Of course, I want to share my home decor with you. You guys know I bought a new home in 2022 and I am still furnishing it and all of that. And we're going to bring back our creative videos, our notebook videos. And I just cannot wait to share all of this content with you that I have planned. And last but not least, I will be sharing my acne journey as promised because we're heading towards clear skin. So if that sounds good to you, be sure to subscribe. Love you. Bye.